Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 10 latest defense updates. Number 1, India's Kaveri Engine closer to takeoff. DTRE is gearing up for crucial phase in the development of the dry Kaveri engine, a milestone that could pave the way for an advanced version, the Kaveri 2.0. Over the next couple of months, DTRE is set to receive the newly built dry Kaveri engine, which will undergo ground trials in India before moving on to the final validation stage at Russia's Gromov Flight Research Institute. Next, CABS gears up for multi-role maritime aircraft C-295. India's quest for enhanced maritime surveillance and anti-submarine warfare capabilities takes a substantial leap forward with the Center for Airborne Systems, that is CABS, of the Defense Research and Development Organization nearing completion of technology development for the C-295 based multi-mode maritime aircraft and medium-range maritime reconnaissance aircraft program. Next, Zorawar roars to life, completes 100 km of internal testing. The Indian Army's quest for a potent light tank to bolster its mountain warfare capabilities is taking a definitive turn. According to ANI, the indigenously developed Zorawar light tank has successfully begun trials with its new engine at Larsen and Toubro facilities. This marks a significant milestone in its development, paving the way for its entry into the Indian Army's arsenal as early as April 2024. Next, Heron MkI UAV Fleet gets midlife boost. India's fleet of 50 Heron MkI unmanned aerial vehicles currently serving across the Army, Air Force and Navy is set for a significant upgrade program. This collaboration effort between HAL and Israel aircraft industries aims to rejuvenate the aging fleet, enhancing its capabilities and extending its operational lifespan. Next, the Indian Army showcases drone that can fire AK-47. In recent time, the Indian Army has embraced cutting-edge technology to enhance its operational capabilities, and one notable addition to its arsenal is the integration of drones into various military operations. The use of drones has evolved beyond mere surveillance, extended to engaging targets, dropping grenades, and delivering crucial supplies to troops in forward areas. A recent video highlights the Indian Army's proficiency in utilizing drones for a range of operations, showcasing their adaptability and effectiveness in diverse scenarios. Next, future gunners witness firepowers. The echoes of thunder rolled across the plains of Nasik as trainee officers from INS Shivaji, including cadets from friendly foreign countries, embarked on a journey into the world of heavy artillery. Their destination, the prestigious School of Artillery, where they witnessed the awe-inspiring firepower of the Indian Army. Big guns. Next, UK High Commissioner's visit to POK. An update. Jane Marriott, the UK High Commissioner in Pakistan, recently sparked controversy with a visit to Pakistan-occupied Kashmir, that is POK, while her official statement emphasized the importance of the region as a hub for UK-Pakistan relationship and diaspora ties. The visit itself has drawn mixed reactions from both sides of the border. Next, Indian Army indigenously developed secure mobile ecosystem SAMBHAV. In the line with the ethos of Atmanirbhar Bharat, the Indian Army has indigenously developed an end-to-end secure mobile ecosystem to provide secure communication with instant connectivity on the move, according to officials. The ecosystem SAMBHAV, that is Secure Army Mobile Bharat version, operates on the state-of-the-art contemporary 5G technology and will represent a significant leap forward in India's defense capabilities. Next. ISRO exploring Opto quantum communication for secure satellite networks. In a groundbreaking announcement at IIT Bombay's Tech Fest, ISRO chairman Dr. S. Somnath unveiled India's ambitious journey into the realm of quantum communication. He revealed ISRO's work on Opto quantum communication architecture, specifically focusing on the development of quantum key distribution, that is QKD, using a protocol known as Decoy BB84. This marks a significant step forward, building secure and unbreakable communication networks for satellites and beyond. Next. DRDO conducts successful flight test of new generation Akash missile. Defense Research and Development Organization conducted a successful flight test of the new generation Akash NG missile from the integrated test range Chandipur off the coast of Odisha at 10:30 hours on January 12th. The flight test was conducted against a high-speed unmanned aerial target at very low altitude. Thank you.